Narayan Hari. Hello students. Students, the topic of today's class is expansion of Aryans in India. Expansion means after the settlement of Aryans in India, as you know that they came from Central Asia through Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and then they settled in the northwest part of the country. The whole area that was located in between the river Saraswati and Drishtavati, and the important areas which the Aryans occupied in the early phase, that was of the early Vedic age, that is from 1500 BC to 1000 BC. They covered the area of present day Afghanistan, because during that particular time, 1500 BC, there was no concept of Afghanistan and Pakistan. Rather, Pakistan was formed just after just in 1947. So there was no concept of Pakistan and Afghanistan. The whole area was of the India area. In Afghanistan, present day Afghanistan, they occupied the area of the Kabul, and in Pakistan they covered the area of the Sindh, they covered the area of the Kandahar in Pakistan. Then in India they covered the area of the Kashmir and Punjab. So all these five important regions were there. That was known as the Brahmavrata area. The Brahmavrata area, first where the Aryans settled in different number of tribes. What was that area? That area was this Kandahar area in Pakistan present day, then Sindh area, then this Afghanistan in Kabul area, and then Kashmir and Punjab. And they settled there in that area. But in the later Vedic age, that was the time period of the 1000 BC, iron was also discovered, and Aryans settled in this area from 1500 BC. So from 1500 BC to 1000 BC, that was a time period of 500 years. And in these 500 years, the population of the Aryans was also very much increased, and they needed some new areas to live also. That's why they started moving particularly after the discovery of the iron. They were able to make axes. वो कुल्हाड़ियां बना पाए, लोहे की कुल्हाड़ियां और अन्य और दूसरे टूल्स उन्होंने बनाए, जिसकी वजह से, जिनकी हेल्प से they were able to clear the forests and jungles in the eastern direction, in the western direction, and in the southern directions also. That's why it is known as the expansion of India. So till now we have discussed where they settled after coming to India and settled in the northwest part of the country, and after that they started migrating to the country. And when they started migrating to the different part of the country, that we will discuss in the Brahmarishi Desha. That was the second one, that was the Brahmarishi Desha. The first was the Brahmavrata area. Brahmavrata area was located in between the Saraswati and the Drishtavati river, and all those areas which we discussed, either it was the Kabul, or either it was the Punjab or the Kashmir or the Sindh, that was, or Kandahar, that occupied during that particular area, that was the Brahmavrata area. And that area was considered very much pious area. बहुत पवित्र एरिया उसको माना गया है, क्योंकि आर्यंस ने इसी एरिया के अंदर वेद्स लिखे थे. वेदों की आर्यंस composed the Veds in that particular Brahmavrata area. That's why it was considered a very much spiritual area, a very pious area. इसको बहुत पवित्र स्थान माना जाता है. After that, they started migrating to the other part of the interior of the country. First, they from Punjab, they migrated toward the Kurukshetra. नजदीक का रीजन है वहां से, from Kurukshetra to Delhi, और दिल्ली से फिर उन्होंने migrate किया गंगा यमुना दोआब के एरिया में. Ganga Yamuna Doab means the area in between the two rivers of Ganga and Yamuna, and that was the area covered by the present day Western UP area, and that include the area of the Meerut, Aligarh, Saharanpur. ये एरिया उन्होंने कवर किया. गंगा यमुना दोआब के बीच का जो एरिया था, यहाँ पर ये लोग रहने लगे. उसके साथ साथ पांचाल का एरिया, जो अहिछत्र एरिया बोला जाता है जिसको, और काम्पिलिया, इस एरिया में भी ये लोग रहे. पांचाल, मत्स्य और चेडी जो है वो राजस्थान के एरियाज थे जयपुर के अंदर. तो जयपुर राजस्थान तक इन लोगों ने माइग्रेट किया. वेस्टर्न यूपी में इन्होंने माइग्रेट किया. That is known as the expansion of the Aryans. Besides this, they also expanded toward the Surasen area, जो आज की प्रेजेंट का मथुरा एरिया. तो मथुरा, ये सब एरिया इन्होंने दिल्ली से स्टार्ट किया. कुरुक्षेत्र पहले, फिर दिल्ली, और फिर गंगा यमुना दोआब की तरफ गए. और एक ब्रांच इनकी वेस्टर्न इंडिया में, जयपुर का जो राजस्थान एरिया है, वहां पर भी जाके इन लोगों ने अपनी सेटलमेंट्स बनाई हैं. तो दैट वाज द एरिया, दैट वाज द एक्सपेंशन, एंड दिस होल एरिया was known as the Brahmarishi Desha. That was known as the Brahmarishi Desha, जो आर्यंस के एक्सपेंशन की सेकंड वेव थी. फर्स्ट वेव में तो हो गया ब्रह्मरथ एरिया, सेकंड में हो गया ब्रह्मऋषि देशा. तो ब्रह्मऋषि देशा उन्होंने वेस्टर्न यूपी को कवर किया, और राजस्थान में जयपुर एरिया को कवर किया और दिल्ली और कुरुक्षेत्र एरिया को कवर किया और इस एरिया में वो रहने लगे। और उससे पहले वाला जो एरिया था ब्रह्मरथ, वहां पर भी वो रह रहे थे। तो इसका मतलब आर्यंस का एक्सपेंशन हो रहा था। तो थर्ड वेव जो थी आर्यंस की, दैट इज नोन एज द मध्य देश। तो मध्य देश वाज द एरिया in between the area of two mountains, that was the area of the Himalayas area and in between the Vindhya area. So that was known as the Madhya Desh. तो अब तक हम लोगों ने देखा है, till now we have seen that Aryans expanded in three waves. So first was the settled wave, that is the Brahmavrata. Then second was the Brahmrishi Desha, and third was the Madhya Desh. After that they migrated toward the northern region also, as well as toward the north in the area of the Bengal and in the area of the Bihar. तो बिहार और बंगाल में जब उन लोगों ने माइग्रेट किया, that was their fourth phase. और ये जो एरिया उनका पूरा स्टार्ट हुआ, जिसमें इंक्लूड हो गया ब्रह्मव्रत वाज देयर, ब्रह्मऋषि देशा वाज देयर एंड मध्य देशा वाज देयर, और लास्ट का जो बंगाल और बिहार का जो एरिया था, इन सब एरिया को जब हम कवर कर लेते हैं तो दैट वाज नोन एज द एंटायर आर्यव्रत एरिया. So that was the area occupied by the Aryans in the Vedic age. Okay students, thanks.